Hello friends, and welcome back to the new video in this Ninox Learning Series. Today we are going to cover majorly three topics. First is how to protect your database. Second is how to sort your data, and third is how to filter your data. So let us move on to the first topic, that is how to protect your database. So I have already logged into the Ninox database and I'm into this database creation project that I had created for the demonstration, and now click on the employee table. So for this video I have already created, I've added some dummy data. So I have almost 11 records in my table. So to basically protect your database, what you need to do is first go to settings icon that you can see at the right top corner. Click on it, it will turn red, and you will be able to go to more options. Okay, so now here you can see we already covered a lot of these headers in the overview section, but today I will directly jump on to the tab where we need to understand how to protect the database. So go to options, and once you scroll down here you can see there is an option to protect this database. Click here and you can set some password. Save it, and now you can check whether the password is set or not. So click on the settings icon, it will ask you for the password. And so unless and until you click on this settings icon and give the password, you won't be able to do any further changes in the project. If you see, the options to edit the fields goes away when you click on the settings icon. So again, to enable the access, you have to go here back and type the password, and then only you should be able to modify it or make any changes. So in order to understand how the records can be sorted, let us first check on the first column, that is first name. Now when I click on first name header, here you can see there are options. You can sort in the ascending order, descending order, or you can group the data. So when I say ascending, there is no change because it was already in the ascending order. Now let us check descending order. When I click on descending, as you can see, the order has changed now. Now you can also see how to group the data. So here when I click on technology, as you know, we have certain records based on the technology. So I can say group here. So here you will be able to see the records of the employees who has technology as Java. When I click here, you will be able to see people with technology as APN and so on. Now let us change from technology to, for example, the address or the location. So when I group by location, here you can see the records are grouped based on the location set for the records. So we have only one person from Ahmedabad. Let us see Pune, because we have a lot of records in Pune. So we have these 5 records of the employees where the location is set as Pune. So this is how you can sort data. So let us now understand how to filter data. Let's take an example of technology. So I'm in the view where I'm able to see the tabular form of the records. Now when I click on technology, I can see these are the options available. So if I say APN, I'll be able to see the records of the employees whose technology is APN, which includes technology as APN. Now if I again change it and say Java, here you can see the records of the employees where technology is Java. Now similarly, we can go on filtering further. For example, if I want to see where the records where technology is Java and the location is Pune, so I can click on location and say Pune. So here you can see further the records are filtered with employees where technology includes Java and location is Pune. Similarly, you can keep on filtering the data based on your requirement. Thank you for watching and happy building applications.